how to integrate ChatGPT with WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate ChatGPT with WhatsApp. So first thing first, you have to create a chatbot on Communicate. You will first need to sign up for an account. You can sign up for a free trial or choose from one of the Communicate paid plan that best fit your business needs. And after signing up, you will need to create a new bot. You can do this by navigating to the bot integration section in your Communicate dashboard and clicking on the create bot button. And after that, just integrate your chatbot with ChatGPT. So in order to integrate ChatGPT with Communicate is a breeze, as it allows customer to incorporate ChatGPT responses seamlessly into their Communicate chatbot. The best part is that all it takes is a simple toggle to activate the integration. No need for lengthy and complicated documentation. Once you create a new bot, you can edit the bot by clicking on Go to Bot Builder button. Click on the settings in the top right corner of the page and turn on the toggle on Open AI Chat GPT. Please disable the toggle for small talk when you turn on GPT. And once you are done logging into your Communicate account and signing up, just go to connect your WhatsApp number with WhatsApp Business API. You need to create a free account on your Partner 360 dialog page. And after signing up to 360 dialog page, just fill the below details like your WhatsApp number, API key, namespace, etc. And there you will be successfully able to integrate your ChatGPT with WhatsApp. So this is basically how you can integrate your ChatGPT with WhatsApp. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.